If earning 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira is not too small for you in this economy, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you step by step on how to make 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira. Actually, in this website I'm about to share with you, you can actually make 2,000 naira to 2,500 naira in the website. But because some people are not really engaging, some people, they feel like they are tired. If actually you put in your best, you can actually make 2,000 naira to 2,500 naira in this website, this legit, let me call it legit website. You understand? But if actually you're not putting effort to actually accumulate good amount of money for yourself, then I would say that 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira is assured, is very sure for you that you're going to make it in this website. So let me walk you through on how to go about it. Quick disclaimer, guys, I am not your financial advisor. This video is just for educational purpose. Do well to make your research before you venture into any website. But trust me, guys, in this channel I am going to give you anything legit, anything I have tried and it has worked for me. I am going to share it with you guys. So let me walk you through. Let's go, guys. This is the pay route interface. Okay, so immediately you get to this place, you're going to sign up using your email or Google account. Okay, whichever one you prefer, you use it and then sign up. Once you sign up, then you click this menu icon here, these three lines here. You're gonna click it. So immediately you click it, you see all these things. You see the dashboard, the context and everything. So what you will do is that you go to this posted tags here. Okay, you go to this posted tags here and then you click. This is the posted tags. What you do, you click. Okay, so when you click, it will load and then bring all the tasks that's available at that time for you to do. Okay, so you can see, kindly scroll to the fourth picture, which is YouTube thumbnail. You understand? Click on it. Now this engagement now is YouTube channel. You understand, ba? It's YouTube channel. So a lot of people come here to advertise their channel, advertise their products, advertise their blogs, monetize their blog page and everything. Okay, so either TikTok account or Facebook account, whatever account you want to get monetized faster, you can actually come to this place, you monetize it and you can actually earn. And we're focusing on the earning aspect and not the advertisement aspect. Okay, so if the platform you want to monetize, if actually they support external source for you to get monetized faster, no problem. But I don't think YouTube accepts that, so be careful if you want to use this platform to monetize your YouTube page. Okay, so you click this tags. Let's view the tags and see what's there. Okay, so now it's loading. Thank God it's loading. So you move ahead. You can see it. You can see let's view the picture. Now do you see it? This person's channel. You understand, ba? This is a person's YouTube channel. The person has 250 256 subscribers, right? So this is it. So guys, this is the tax interface. Okay, this is the tax interface. So when you get to this place, what do? You scroll down. You're going to read what the advertiser wants you to do. You understand, ba? The activities, how the person wants you to carry on with the activities. You're going to read it well here, and then this is the text proof. Okay, this is the text proof. Then once you're done, you screenshot your task and then place it here. Okay, you're going to paste it there, and this is the YouTube channel. The person, this engagement is YouTube channel engagement. Okay, so that's how it is. That's how the person wants you to snap. You understand, ba? So look at it. It said kindly scroll to the fourth picture, YouTube thumbnail, click on it, and then it will take you to the YouTube. Okay, where you will subscribe, like, watch and get paid. Do you understand? So this person, the engagement is what? Subscription, subscribe and like. You watch the video, you subscribe and then you like. Okay, so let's go back to the tax posted. So a lot of tax is here. We have a lot of tax in this place. Now this one, this number 2, is kindly scroll to the third video. Okay, hit the picture thumbnail. This one also is also YouTube task. Okay, it's also YouTube task. And then if you see the one that is 28 naira, say download app and register, you can earn 3,000 naira daily. Okay, so you see tax here, a lot of tax here that you can actually, you know, embark on and make cool money for yourself. So if I tell you that you can actually make 1,000 naira to 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira, I'm not joking, guys. I'm not really joking. So it's true. I've tested it. It's just that for me, I have other side hustles that I embark on. I'm doing. So what are that things here? So more tax, okay? You can embark on more tax. Look at the tax here. More tax. Understand? So we have 800 and okay, let's say 824 tax here. Okay, let's say 800 plus tax here. It varies. The figures varies because people are completing the tax and more tax are being updated. That's why you're seeing that the number of available tax is going ups and down. Like it varies because a lot of people are doing tax here. Okay, so you go there to complete your tax. This is paid to click. Okay, this is paid to click. I'm just rushing because I don't want this video to be too long. This is paid to click. Okay, so you click on it and then you perform your task. The countdown, you wait for the countdown. Once the time counts down, and then you have your money. And this one is video. Okay, this one is video tax. This is a video tax here. This is it. This is the video tax here. You watch the video and get paid. Okay, this is the deposits, which is if you have any tax you want to post here, like you want to advertise your own job. So this is it. So you have to deposit. Okay, you have to deposit because you are paying people. You are paying people for completing your tax for you. But in this place, what I'm showing you here is how people is going to pay you to complete tax for them. But if the other way around you want to take, no problem. Just be careful. Okay. So this one is create blog. Okay. If you have a blog, then you can create blog here. Okay, you can actually create blog in this place. Okay, you create the blog and then you monetize your blog here. As people come to this place to view your blogs, then they get paid. Okay, they get paid also. Then monetize, you can actually monetize your blog. If you have a blog website, you can monetize it here. So you draw traffic to your blog website, so as people read your blog or watch what you're doing there, then you're being paid. Okay, so but make sure that you're verified. Look at my profile here. Make sure that you're verified. Look at it, verified. Okay, so please just make sure that you're verified. So that is it. So you can see tax here, a lot of tax here. So that is how you can perform your tax and get paid. You can see tax here, a lot of tax. Look at tax here. So by the time you calculate all this money, you already accumulate 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira for yourself every blessed day, guys. So this site is actually very legit. There's nothing fake about it. There's nothing scam about it. So you're not putting your money. Instead, you are earning here. The only time you put your money is when you want to advertise anything for yourself. Okay, then you put your money, and within short period of time, your deposit will actually reflect in your dashboard. Okay, so that is it for this website. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp group link in the description of this video. In case you have any question, you can actually ask me. Though even this website has their own WhatsApp group where you chat with people that are completing tasks as you. So you chat them up in case you made a withdrawal and your withdrawal is not reflecting at the stipulated time. What do? You go to that group chat and then you chat them up. Okay, you chat them up and then they help you sort it out. So that's it, guys. This website is a cool website. So let's get back, guys. Now you see that you can actually make 1,000 to 1,500 naira, even more than that, in this website. Start soon. Like, you just have to start and start making cool amount of money from this website. Just get up and start making your registration and register on this app. It has actually worked for me, and you can see on Trustpilot, this website is good, is legit. A lot of people are talking about it. Like I said, it has WhatsApp community where people like you that complete task, you will actually interact. If there is any issue, you guys can share it within yourselves there, and it will get solved ASAP. So guys, jump on this website. If this is your first time of stopping by to this channel, this is Faith, and this is Life with Faith channel. Yes, in this channel we're going to be sharing about money opportunity, how to make money online, share my lifestyle with you. So I'm going to be sharing step-by-step guide on some legit websites, some money making apps that you can actually venture into to give you cool amount of money. In this 2025, we must make money. So guys, please do well to like, do well to subscribe, because I'll be sharing more opportunity with you on this channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that when videos like this, when interesting videos like this comes up, YouTube is going to notify you. Do have a lovely day, guys. Bye.